How do I tow a caravan safely? My name's Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre, and I want to give you a few tips on how to tow a caravan safely. One of the most important things you need to consider when towing safely is your vehicle's towing capacity. What is the limit your tow vehicle can carry? If your tow vehicle can only carry 2.5 tonnes, and you've got a load, caravan, trailer, whatever it might be, that's 3 tonne, doesn't add up. Another thing to consider is distributing the weight evenly. You don't want too much weight on the rear of the caravan, which means you've got no weight on your tow ball. That's going to start to create a lot of sway in the caravan, and vice versa. If you have too much tow ball weight on your tow ball and not enough at the back, it's going to create that sway motion. Make sure when you're loading your caravan, you load it evenly. Best thing to do is get a tow ball scale to make sure you've got no more than 10% on that tow ball. Another good thing to check is to make sure your load is secured. Whether everything's inside the caravan or you've got things loaded on the drawbar, make sure it's secured properly. Check the condition and pressure of your tyres. This can be a major contributor in an unsafe caravan. Adjust the tow mirrors on your towing vehicle. Make sure that you can see either side of your caravan when you're towing. Never forget what you're towing. You need to allow yourself more time to stop. If you don't, accidents will happen. Practice and get comfortable with the vehicle that you're towing. A lot of people just jump straight into their vehicle, hook the caravan onto the back and think, she'll be right, mate. It's not. You need to practice, get comfortable with what you're towing. That is the best advice I can give. There's a lot of aspects when it comes to towing safely. I just hope that the few that I gave you today will help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow for more.